This is one of the easiest digital products I've ever seen on Etsy, and yet it's pulling in amazing sales. So let's jump straight into the product. When we scroll up just a bit, we can see that 20 people currently have it in their cart, which means this product is selling really well right now. And we'll also notice that the seller has priced it at around $2, which is honestly a very solid price. And they named this product Snap Cube Counting, meaning it teaches kids numbers and counting skills by letting them play with snap cubes. And don't worry, we're going to explain exactly how that works in just a moment. When we scroll a little further down, we'll find that it's a digital product, which is exactly what we're interested in. And if we move to the reviews section, we'll see it has a full 5-star rating, all of them recent and all of them extremely positive, clearly showing that this product is making sales right now. And at the moment, it's absolutely a winning product. Let's move over to the product images so we can really understand what's going on. The product is super simple. The seller added snap cubes, and each one of these cubes has a specific number on it from 1 to 20. The child's job is to grab the snap cubes and connect them together so they match the numbers shown on the base printed on the page, which means the child learns numbers and learns how to count in a fun, hands-on way while playing. So for example, if the cube has the number 3, the child will connect 3 snap cubes together and place those cubes directly on top of the cube illustration on the page. And when we look at this picture of the child playing with the cubes and placing them right onto the page, everything becomes crystal clear. I know a lot of you right now are probably thinking this product looks way too easy to design. And maybe you're even ready to click off the video. But hold on, stay with me until the end, because I'm going to give you 2 amazing ideas based on this product. And with those ideas, you'll be able to create not just 1, but 3 connected products that let you compete with this seller and even outperform them. So just give me a moment and I promise you're going to love both ideas. And before we jump into designing this product, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, drop a like, and leave a comment to keep me motivated to continue teaching you how to create these winning products and how to sell them on Amazon, on Etsy, or even on your own website. So now we move directly into Canva and create a brand new design with 11 by 8.5 dimensions. In the beginning, we're going to place a title at the top of the page. And as you already know, I love adding titles in a simple straight line style. So I'm going to press the letter L on the keyboard to add a straight line. Then I'll set the line thickness to 1 and I'll give the line rounded edges from the options in the top menu. After that, I'll enlarge the line just a bit and place it at the top of the page. Next, I'll press the letter T on the keyboard to add text to this page, and I'll type the page title exactly as it is. Read the number on the cubes and stack to match. Then I'll change the font to the one I prefer and place this title right above the straight line at the top of the page. Now we want to place the cubes that contain the numbers. So I'm going to go to the Elements section and search for Snap Cube. You'll find a lot of shapes there. So let's, for example, add this yellow cube. And then I'll change the yellow color to white because I want the entire page to be in black and white only to keep printing costs low. After that, we need to place the numbers inside these cubes. So I'll add the number 1 inside this first cube. Then I'll copy the cube 5 times and arrange them across the page. Each page will contain 5 cubes and 5 numbers, and I'll change the numbers inside the cubes from 1 to 5 in order. This way, everything stays clean, simple, and perfectly ready for kids to use. And we keep the design super printer friendly at the same time. And now we're officially done with the first page. So to design the second page, all we need to do is duplicate the first page and change the numbers inside the cubes from 1 to 5 to 6 to 10. Then after that, we'll duplicate this second page and update the numbers again so they run from 11 to 15. And once more, we'll duplicate this third page to create the 4th and final page in this product. And we'll change the numbers inside the cubes so they go from 16 to 20. And just like that, this product teaches kids numbers from 1 all the way to 20 and also teaches them how to count cubes in order to build numbers, which is actually the first stage of learning addition. After we finish designing this product, we'll go ahead and download it as a PDF file, and everything will be ready to sell or use right away. At the start of the video, I promised I'd give you my idea so you can really stand out on your site. And I just thought of a brilliant concept. We can design another product using these same snap cubes. For example, I'll change the title to Add the Cubes and Stack to Match. This means we'll teach the child how to add using these cubes. I'll delete most of the cubes, leaving only 2. Let's say number 1 and number 2. Then I'll place a plus sign between them and an equal sign on the right. After the equal sign, I'll add an empty cube with no number. So for instance, the cube on the left has the number 1, and the child will add 1 snap cube. The cube after the plus sign is 2, so the child will add 2 more cubes. Then they count the cubes, the red ones and the orange ones together. This way, they see 3 cubes in total and write the correct number, which is 3, in the empty cube on the far right. I think this exercise is way better than the first one, but I recommend creating both exercises. The first one for learning numbers, which will be level 1, and the addition exercise as level 2. And the best part? You can create many addition exercises using these snap cubes to keep the learning fun and progressive.
Now the second idea will be level 3, which focuses on subtraction using the cubes. We'll change the title to Subtract, and then we'll switch the plus sign to a minus sign. Here, the child will subtract 4 from 3, and the result will be 1. How will this work? At the start, the child will add 4 cubes, let's say an orange, to match the cube labeled 4. Then, they'll add 3 cubes to match the other cube labeled 3. After that, they'll subtract the 4 cubes from the 3 cubes, and they'll see the result is just 1 cube, which is the correct answer representing 4 minus 3. This makes subtraction super visual and easy to understand, and it's a perfect next step after learning numbers and addition. If you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe, show your support with a like, and share this video with your friends. I also want to let you know there's a huge discount on my collection of 80 books, which will save you months of work. Just head over to the sales page and see for yourself the amount of content and effort you're getting. And remember, you'll get Canva links so you can edit these books however you like, and even combine them to create, I think, an almost infinite number of books to sell on Amazon and Etsy. This collection was designed professionally, backed by over 7 years of experience. There's a big discount on the collection, perfect for Black Friday, so use the code MOE20. I'll see you in a brand new video, and until then, take care.